Hi, I'm Vedant, one of the builders at MatSearch. Welcome to MatSearch, our AI-powered supply chain assistant for finding, comparing, and sourcing materials smarter than ever before. Let's begin with the landing page. Right at the top, you are greeted with our core value proposition, a platform designed to reduce cost, enhance visibility, and accelerate decision-making across the supply chain. As we scroll down, we see our key features including proactive cost saving, ERP integration ready, inventory intelligence, and AI-powered material search. Scroll a bit further, and you will find real use cases. MatSearch can analyze large data with smart graphs and even compare competitors, helping teams to make informed decisions fast. MatSearch is tailor-made for supply chain managers who need speed and visibility, manufacturers and executives looking for cost optimization, and procurement teams who want clarity and efficiency in sourcing. When you're ready, just dive in by clicking Try it out. Now, we see the landing page transition straight into the Agent Hub. Let's take a quick look at the layout. On the left, we have a chat window. In the middle, there is a conversation panel. On the top right, there is an Agent Hub, which has the Agent Selector option. Below that, there is a data selection and management panel. MatSearch connects directly to your ERP system, like SAP, NetSuite, and Microsoft Dynamics. Prefer uploading files? No problem. You can go to Upload Data and drag the Excel and CSV files with the inventory and procurement tags. We also support JSON, and PDF support is coming soon. For this demo, we have uploaded an example SAP dataset containing tables such as SAP Amara and SAP MARDI, used by manufacturers to manage material stock levels and descriptions. These are the large datasets supply chain teams typically deal with on a daily basis. Now, let's look at the heart of the project, the Agent Hub. In the Agent Hub, we have normal mode for general-purpose database queries and terminology help, inventory agent that helps manage stock levels, detecting overstocking and shortages, analysis agent built to interpret complex data and return trends and visual summaries, procurement agent, which monitors purchase orders and tracks deliverables, material open search agent for sourcing materials online, including specifications, prices, and vendors across the web. Let's see them in action. Starting with the normal mode, I'll say, "Hi." It replies, "Hello, how can I help you with finding your materials today?" I introduce myself. "I am Vedant." It replies, "Nice to meet you. How can I assist you with your material search needs?" So it greets you. We can ask domain-specific, jargon-based questions. For example, I ask, "Explain the difference between 3PL and 4PL." It generates a complete summary, first defining 3PL, then 4PL, and then comparing both. Now, let's ask a data-specific question. Find the supplier for electric vacuum batteries. It scans the database and pulls the exact records, helping clean master data instantly. It shows us categories, average price, data sources, and 5 results. We can click on Compare All to generate a comparison table. Next up is the inventory agent. It helps us monitor stock levels and manage replacements. Here's the inventory dashboard. We have a total of 100 items in stock. We can see low stock and critical items. As you scroll down, there are different filters for category, suppliers, and stock. It shows an overview table of all stocks and also displays alerts and replacement recommendations. These recommendations are for urgently needed stocks, with urgency percentage shown, e.g., 38%, which comes from a machine learning model that the agents use. From these recommendations, it also shows supplier recommendations across 3 categories: quality score, reliability, and delivery performance. It also indicates where the suppliers are from, risk factors, MOQs, and certifications. Then, we can go to the email section and generate an email for our replacement recommendation. We have a total of 9 items. We can generate a recommendation email for procurement managers, senior buyers, and category managers. We can select them on the left and create the email. It generates the email. If needed, we can edit it, and then click Send Email. Now it sends the email for the purchase order. Finally, we have Trends. It also monitors trends and replacement history over the last 12 months. Next up is the procurement agent. This agent monitors purchase orders and tracks deliverables. In the procurement agent view, we have an overview board showing recent alerts, for instance, 2 delayed purchase orders, and recent tracking updates for various orders. We can click on each purchase order to see the purchase order flow. For example, one completed purchase order was from Boss Automotive. There's also shipment tracking. It shows delivery status, estimate, and identifies delayed segments. For alerts, we can click Action Required, and it escalates the issue to the procurement team. We can repeat this for the second alert as well. Then, we have Analytics, showing insights for procurement and purchase orders. We can click any order to see the complete progress and completion flow. We can select a delayed purchase order. It shows it's delayed due to a supply chain issue and still processing. On the main search space, we have 2 options, View Chat and View Results. It allows switching between both views. Finally, we have the Open Search Agent, so it pulls in real-time results, material name, pricing, and specifications from various sources across the internet. It includes seller information and manufacturer details. We can click on the new sources, and it provides results from Walmart. We can click on other sources as well, like rcbattery.com. And finally, we see results from Jansetu. It displays a LiPo battery with the pricing and full details. You can sort, compare, and shortlist items directly inside the interface. MatSearch is in action. This is like 4 or 5 different agents working together live, either on SAP data or MS data, in real time. No code is required. Every user can manage multiple chat threads, as shown in the chat history. Users can start new requests, revisit old orders, and delete chat histories if needed. At MatSearch, we believe supply chain teams deserve tools that are as smart and responsive as the work they do. This platform is built to save hours of manual effort, reduce errors, and bring real-time transparency to your data, all without needing a data engineer. Thanks for watching. If you would like to try MatSearch on your own data, we would love to chat.